mà là cái sáng đó chạy nhỏ cái đúng đi media cái chẳng cái gì cái phải kel cái ron khi nó đang rau đi dân đang rau đi bắt kel agan mag bangun go bay nong la ti la nong yen siang cái đúng đi media cái ti la rodian cái junub Sudan cái nó win mo nó rodian and wala cái chẳng cái gì cái phải kel đúng đi media be nong situational update ba nong ye bala ta khor ti yara linga ko ni đang rau ti cái nyam ba yen nong la cái ta khor cái lat cái Unity State cái bantiu ana ko linga bantiu ni paneje mana pan mana ne wala ba ko nong coverage ta na na yor lat ke je ke ni wonit ko where are we today ke chang wala nama mere oda bala update ke northern Jonglei State ke rew ba yot ke rew yoy bana ga duk situation lat tin ga ko ni nang rawti ko security wide ba ko no yala update mere odian bala massive mobilization la ro ga jub by government and assortment of SPDF toward Jonglei State. Take mobilization with the road, Michel La Recon in Narawati, assortment of police, militia, element of SPDF, organize Kume, Nang Kaka Jonglei State, Kakor, and the location of Wagatin, Agadiang. Namabago no yellow update, including one and why Gadiang is very important for them and very important for the SPLMIO this operation. Taro can talk about no you don't did media, why Changdar. Mulane go yene go go line and nay go online, don't did media. Miranjo Mala Timping, Linge, be alike, could be a share, could be no one ling of Tung Noranama. We could judge can a bar con no don't did media. Jeremy Jagalarco did Yam Bala Unity State la Bantu. Bantu yet a Korea Linga corn in Dangrawood. Korea talk Kurijamus. Kurijamus take Northern Unity State, area of Rubcon, a Rubcon County. Tin Panaje, yes, Pelamayo share control. The Kurbini Pakur is about 3 kilometers away from Bentio town, from Rek Bentio. Yes, Pelamayo share control. Yin Ko to Rabiet. Yes, Pelamayo share control. Yin Tarwang Yella. Changwood yes, Pelamayo share control. So we see that announcement yesterday, and then pan, Tacha non clearly. Again, that but as PLMIO, we got the dial to our control around Rubicon County, Kabantiu. So no development you let pan and pan Rubicon. So when we talk about good county, headquarters of good county, Chakop, SPLMIO. Under command of James Malagwetor. Colonel James Malagwetor, as PW with Chejo Panaje. That means today, situation is fully under the control of SPLMIO, command of Colonel Malagwetor. So the dog particular area of wit, area of Rubicon. So we talk about area of Whitker Rupcod, Nada Conda Quire Amu inhabitant, Kajikan, like the Kunching, Kanalek, a Kunching Boromoto. We don't know area of Aswella Mayo as we talk today, which our control can entirely. Development of the nation of Latiang Kabantu, you allow clashes around POC outside and inside. And the reason Nany and not young work POC a government, as SPDF. As PDF take a contingent of both as PDF can as PLMIO which are deployed ka POC for security purpose ka korun dar amit larga kel so mechi kore parni government was worried as PDF in the Rubicon che gorko der element of SPLM I would corner ka POC der ka disarm der ma chen der ka nang and then the clash started chinani ke kwa tangenen ko tiang SPDF che chawore ke heavy weapon ke wulidini che PLM I che withdraw recall tiang war. So that was the development in Batio town. Area of Pakur government was chilling randomly, Pakur cup. Then the two of them ke chilling till I open a winnie. Then as well my was quiet. I can't respond. The reason within the town, group con can bantu publish in the thin guy chap bantu. The as well my was urging them we are POC in the pan. Ko bada kuchi yen the battle of bantu they could comment kagwa pan. As a response, Kakumela SPDF, they are leading to enemies, pan, war, Jokolos, Penachap, Penako Yen. An objective will be chap because you the human chill, Kakurana Bay. At the Tintiang and Omogabentu, chap were trying to enter the enemies, Pinako Dukin, the Alajalaga SPDF. So, Michel Gano, Shura Tiang war, Kuria Bantu. Me this morning take a report large way take a core Michiro la winimi Kuria of Torabiet walk with Yamol. That area is approximately very close to Rubicon, Menkola center of Unimis, center of Matar, but Bantu Karutetin. So we are following the development. Area of Rubicon, can Bantu go how far? Why show boy yo as a blala go to a cormatero thing? Maconyo Kumune Gazette. Bako nung ye kadung did media ka watang moyo. Mira uda update ka situation of northern Jonglei state. Pan channelingo na nayate clashes. It was not serious. Lakin yate ka results, positive results ka spela mayu. Ka uchi government forces. Te ka outforce. Dor mutual quite deng. Kana wow. Chika deserted. Ta equipment kini albanpin manini de baba. Chiro wini. Lulu pan pan the area of Ayot Kelu. Kala pre of SPDF with exception of Palit. Palit in the center. Lukula headquarter of Ayot. Again go already in a pure number, not in a big number. Mulunu currently Talimat, they will withdraw. That means Kiriamo operation intensify with reinforcement may begin. One more can move Ayot. Mulunu within this following 2 days. You show Ayot right away. The objective here is like this. Mission is continuous. We're one them. There are obstacle areas that need to be clear first. First, that we talk about them. Number one, take a get that. Tankam. But Mejayu may a cup. Payuti got a medit because I deserted. Anyone take a year but Tamakanize, light ladies to talk. Tagarede. As a talimat, Yaga you tire with me. And up to Kolokabo, who they cannot leave Payut now. a year. Ko big a year pa you do dien. Take a wang. You are wang pa beerol. Wang would indeed me about 4 hour walk. Majorly a shook, take you this time. That you are long a million go with me. Hell, a Michigan a year, work a year and a way, big load over you. My child, I shall you could year can. Cabendian, Kujame. No more obstacle. As well as my is there. As well as my take good over again. Work east and part of UA. Melong the good of Gadian. Mulone torching is Tagawano. They need to be clear first. Bao clear first, Plaza youth, and the development work over. Who name member like the Michigan. But me to you, direction you are. Which I char youth, Kachar Gadian. So no that will make our operation very easy. Meja overtap. We are going to deal with the clear. The raw development situation in our northern Jonglei state that we can say three major issues which happen today, only preparation. So our operation is going on. We are is going forward. Manuguayo Pektin. So the raw development northern Jonglei state. So we will talk about the deployment of the government forces, areas of Jonglei. Take a one to target the government. T let a collection co other areas, South Sudan, Kajube, and what Kira or Ken. Roll assortment of militia, assortment of specialized unit. Security, nothing, police, all the assortment, the organized forces. Nanga Jonglei state. They are not ready for war, but current time, take a choice. Take a different one of like a cup, a promotion, and all this. So they are going up to Jonglei. The location of Wogatin, Babis, dear indeed, come on a shot. Mean be all the logistic, a poor logistic, but a thing. And then the combat based. Bawa Gadiang. So no deployment Gadiang Balare fit these days. Ko don't take additional force Mananga Gadiang that is start going on there. Cover take a trench preparation. Ko the Alagago and Neba Korba Teredi can carry of Gadiang. So I don't know again the only thing the local mobilization is going on that we need our people to be aware. Ko capacity. And I take a kuma now. So this is the objective. Ko in war, you know the enemy. Ko long day dinu, and you know yourself. But I go long day dinu, ko long ra more dinu. The objective go work on them, but we prepare ourselves forward marching. Ko banwan yamadi. Ko we don't want to waste more energy. Chỉ còn này nó hoàn bây giờ bị băng cái giờ bị exhaust. But I had la core me technical core. Mangai kon how to organize it, how to attack, who to attack, when to attack, and all this. The rock can the allo continue development. Ko and government is trying very hard. Ko the enforcement that flew in to Jonglei state. That we are talking go and resistant. Because we know the government to collapse. We follow the powers. Take on the Tinwal, till a long ago, the assortment of militia they organize kind of powers of today. She relate. Today there is no power, no money. She government at the forward plan. Go on and how we can get money. Kabana Koromana Terdi. As we talk about the result of their security meeting of last time. Which are at post. I did the weakness in the Jagalat. So for that reason, we are strong. Tell the Ormo Conditer, no word, no what, Baladaran. As we know, no fear that I'm going to deter 1 hour on them. Mulunu can the thing the corner mentioned that needs preparation. In summary, we talk about the situation of Unity State Kabantiu, Munisha Latinto, Koninanga Wuti, Yokori talked it. So we talk about the development in Northern Jonglei State, security situation, We talk about the mobilization of the government ka pause de ka ta na na waje ka jonglei and how not ready they are. To dia dokan de no ye ka kwa changdar ma ko dung tin media che me ya lar ko ban lo ji ko kwa tyang yo ko tibiro rolat. Ba te go cha go gor. Shukran.